Quiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another SHEIN haul for you, but this time this is all SHEIN accessories. But before we get into this haul, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for future videos. If you have been subscribed for a while and you are back to see another video, welcome and thanks for the love and support. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this haul. Okay, first we're going to start off with what I have on. I'm going to start with this headband. This is kind of like a wickered headband that I really think is so super cute for the summer. It is kind of like a crisscross woven. It does not go all the way to the back. It's a actual true headband that is like wrapped halfway and you slide on. I really like that it is truly a woven headband. I thought it was the cutest thing. Okay, so next is these pair of earrings that I have on here. I really love the earrings where they're mixing fabrics in with them. And what I like most about these earrings is that they came in a 3-pack. So I have these orange tone here. I also have like a teal turquoise color, and then I have more of like a purple plum, family kind of color. So a big variety. They are very lightweight, and it's got a simple hoop enter, so that way they don't come off that easy. There's no protective back on them, so they are easy to come on and off, but they're not gonna just fall off your ear just from you wearing them. Super cute. Really love them. Okay, so next is this choker that I have on. This is one of those tie chokers, so it actually came in one long string, and then you're able to wrap it around to your comfort, your neck size. What I like about this one is that it came with other chokers. Myself and my daughter, we love chokers, so we got a big stack of them in this pack. But this was one of my favorites, so that's why I wanted to put it on, because you can also wrap it around your wrist, make it a bracelet. If you have a small enough waist, you probably could get it around your waist and make it a belt. You could probably wrap it around your wrist, around your finger, make it something really cute. But it came with this one as well as this one. And one like this, where it kind of is just like 3 ropes. So you probably want to put that on your neck and spread them out like that. And a bunch of others. I'll put the picture of what all they came with. The picture from the website, so that way you can see. But a whole bunch of black and white, black and silver, or black and gold. Go to the earrings. I also purchased these right here. I am really loving the look of these. And these are actually plastic, you guys. I thought they were going to be some type of metal, and they're actually plastic. Very lightweight. I put them in my ear already. I didn't quite like it with what I have on right now, so that's why I don't have those on. But cute. To me, this is kind of like the 80s and 90s type of earrings. So definitely if you're going to a 90s party or something like that, this would be a cute earring. But very nice. Really like that one. My other pair of earrings I decided to purchase these beautiful pearls. I thought these would be so gorgeous with an outfit that you could dress. It would be a nice dress up earring. Like, I think that's gonna be cute. I'm gonna actually put one on, take that one out. But I really like pearls, so a pretty earring that you can like dress up something. Now I would definitely wear this earring with my hair in a pretty updo or half up half down. and just let it, you know, show off, okay? Super, super cute. Okay, so the next pair of earrings I have here in this. Now, this is kind of like a rope action as well. I love these. And I actually got a belt to go with it. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. But if you want like some big gold pieces, to me, going with fashion jewelry is the way to go because it's lightweight. And it's not something that you're going to wear every day, but it's going to be that statement piece of jewelry that you can have. So this is what it looks like on me. Very, very lightweight. I'll be wearing this and rocking this belt along with it with a cute outfit. I'm thinking it's going to be so, so nice. Let's see how this thing actually hooks together. Okay, there we go. So it has this hook in the back. And that is the front of it. Super cute. And I think it's going to go really, really nice with these earrings. So you'll have this pop of gold on the waistline. And then this pop of gold chain in my ears. They're going to be so super cute. So she picked this one out. It's a nice studded choker with a heart in the middle. And it has 3 adjustable pieces here. And I'm not sure that if your neck is smaller than that, would that, you know, like what would it do? But I guess nobody's neck is really smaller than that. Not sure. But this is something she picked out. So teenagers. But that's hers. And the other one is a white one with even bigger studs on it. Like this one is true to me, like dog collar. It did not look this big on the website, but this thing is huge. I can almost attach it and make it a belt, like put it on with another belt, and that could be a belt. Like that's huge. Okay, so I also purchased another belt. I don't have any red belts, and I really thought this one was cute. It has the stretchable adjustment there. But these just kind of interlock together. And a nice big red belt. Now, I can see myself putting this on a leopard dress. If you guys are new to the channel, I've already said I really, really love animal prints and things that are glittery and shiny. So a leopard print dress and this would be so cute. Or even a black dress, but I can just picture it with the leopard print dress that's just nice and flowy for the summer, or all black for the fall and winter. Really, really cute. I think this is nice. I absolutely love that belt. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back and see. I've got a couple of necklaces here. This is one of those layered necklaces. I really, really like the layered look, but without having to purchase a full 3-4 necklaces. So whenever I do like the fashion costume jewelry, purchasing something that has multiple chains on it, but is actually one. So it gives you the multiple look, but you know, you've only got to put on one piece. That's what I like to do. And then of course, by this being SHEIN, very, very, very affordable. It's very lightweight, and this is definitely not some jewelry that you would be sleeping in or wearing on a daily basis. This is just something to bring a little statement, or you know, you want to add some action in this area to kind of draw things a certain way, then you do something like this. So I got this one with the circle on it. And then I also, got this one, which has gotten a little bit tangled up here. Yikes. Okay, I've gotten it untangled. So here is this one. As you can see, it has another long piece. I like this type of necklace to go down into the cleavage area, so that way you've got this full look. This one has 3 chains going down, so that way you kind of have that cascading look. And once again, it is all one necklace. Very lightweight again. That, you know, sexy statement piece that you want to put right there to kind of bring your outfit together. Another thing that I picked up was an anklet, and I have it here. It says Libra because your girl is a October baby, honey. The Libras in the house, Libras in the house. It came in with, of course, every sign there is, but I really thought it was cute because it gives you the layered look. And I think this one only came in gold. Once again, this is not something that you're going to shower in, that you're going to sleep in, but definitely you wearing your sandals and a dress or some shorts and you really want to bring some attention to your ankles, then I think this is really, really nice. Okay, so the next thing I have here is my sunglasses. I am super excited about all the sunglasses. I think I have 3 pair here and I'm super excited about them. So this is the first pair and they're a pinkish tone with gold on the sides. Let me just put these on for you guys. Yes. Yes, yes. I know I'm giving all kinds of summertime fun, hot girl summer vibes with these. I absolutely love these. I feel like they're really good quality for the price that I paid, and super cute. Pink is my favorite color, you guys, so I had to get something that was in the pink family. It's like a rose type of pink. I really, really like these. Yes, on the beach all day. That's where I see these. And they came in this case. So, you know, sometimes without cases, you tend to lose your glasses, break your glasses. So these sunglasses are not getting lost or broken if I keep them in their case. I have another pair here, and all of them, like I said, came in this SHEIN case, and I think it's really cute. All right, so this is my leopard print, as if you guys did not know that your girl really likes leopard print. Well, of course, got some sunglasses. Like how these are actually like separate, and so there's a hole in the middle. Like, that's cute to me. It's a nice little detail. Okay, let me put these on. Okay. I'm liking the way these fit as well. I feel like my headband though is kind of making them a tad bit crooked. There we go. Yes. Okay, so these are really, really nice. I'm liking these. See, the pink ones had kind of a light brown tint in here. This one definitely has a black tint. And catch a girl on the streets, top down. Hey. I do not have a vehicle with a top that could go down, but anyway. So that's another pair of sunglasses. And my last pair, I left them in the car. Okay, and my last pair, which I have been already rocking, like for real, are these black pair. I got fingerprints and everything on them, you guys. That's just how you know that I could not wait. I could not wait to wear these, and I'm gonna clean them up before I even let y'all see them good, because that's just a shame. Last pair, here you go. The black joints with the gold on the side. That's got that same kind of chain action as the earrings. And I'm gonna put these on for y'all. And I did not get all the smudges off, but anyway. So this one has a black lens as well. really like these. Lightweight. They fit so good on my face. Now, I used to not go towards the frames that are shaped like this, but I am really starting to like them now. What do you guys think? Do they look good on me? Let me know, let me know. Okay, so the last thing I got, and I'm keeping these on. Okay, taking them off. It is a fuchsia pink, gold, and like a silver gray. And I really like this scarf. This is something that, you know, you could kind of fold up and you could rock it in your hair. You know, if you wanted to put it in your hair, or if you were going to put it around your neck, you know, really cute, or just tie it on your bag. You know, I really like it. Of course, I was drawn to it because of the color. Now, on their website, it doesn't look this color. It looks a different color. Like, this is like a fuchsia pink. So like a fuchsia color. On the website, it looked a little bit darker, but I just knew it was gonna be like this bright, pretty fuchsia pink. So this is my first time getting SHEIN accessories, and I really feel like I got all wins, no misses. Maybe that big choker for my daughter, but that's not for me, that's for her. But other than that, I feel like I got all wins. Everything is kind of what I expected, and there's a few pieces that I'm like, oh, this is better than I expected. So overall, great purchases, and I'm excited to wear them all. Let me know what you think of this video, and if you would like to see more accessory videos, definitely leave that in the comments and let me know. Thank you guys for tuning in for this SHEIN haul. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week. Mwah.